size that fits all. We have to look at the circumstances. So many people, many Muslims, when they see the amount of persecution they are suffering in their own countries that they were born, bred, and brought up in, they see the Islamophobes controlling every aspect of life. They ban them from practicing Islam. They ban them from wearing modest clothes. They ban them from behaving in a chaste way. They want them to strip off their clothes, to indulge in their filth, and to live like pigs. Unfortunately, life becomes unbearable. And this is the democracy they are calling for. When in some so-called democratic countries, the administration of companies and government offices are telling their employees to monitor one another when an employee goes to the toilet to answer the call of nature, if he carries a bottle of water with him, and to report this. A bottle of water now has become a lethal weapon. Number 5, this is a problem. Why? Said, oh, this means that you're taking this bottle of water, so when you urinate or defecate, you wash yourself and clean yourself. Duh, what's the problem? No, this means that you are a religious person, committed to Islam. This goes against our democracy. Wallahi, it's so funny, it's sad, but it's so funny, so stupid. How did these people reach such offices? Answer is clear, by hating Islam and the Muslims. So I understand totally. And it is normal for people, for Muslims to want to flee and migrate. Leave them, leave their countries. They don't have newborns and they're getting too old. Their country will collapse if it's not already collapsed. So go back to your own original countries, live in a Muslim country, try to raise your children in an Islamic environment. However, you should always have a plan B. You can't go there when you don't have a degree, you don't have a profession, you don't have investments. You live there for 6 months, a year or 2 max. You deplete your savings and you go back rock bottom, having nothing, and you have to start from scratch. No, we don't want you to come and work as a janitor once again in this kafir country. Try to establish a degree, a profession, an experience, an investment, a source of income that is sustainable, so that when you travel for hijrah, you have a decent life to live and you don't need to beg people. This is important. Secondly, your parents, if they are independent, they're young, they don't physically need you, they're not bedridden, they're not going to be in danger if you leave. If they have other children who could take care of them or siblings of their own, if this is the case, you're not obliged to obey your parents if you're not getting any financial assistance from them. You're independent. So you can leave while maintaining the kinship, ties of kinship, and contacting them every single day and checking up on them, and Allah knows best.